garage. But you'll probably know what the other places are, so you won't really need to know. So I won't be talking. Here's the dining room if you don't know.
Well, I'm not sure how. Maybe.
Sorry about that on the TV.
No! Oh, it's the one on the left! And then it's the...
This is the bathroom, and then this is clearly the hallway. All these other rooms, this other room over here is the dining room, the living room, and then the kitchen, the wooden room over there. Over here is the kitchen. And then this is my room. So that's the end of the video, and bye.